first. So, Bhumi, how do you feel? Like, you started your Power BI journey, like, with some zero knowledge, or, where you had initially, before joining this course, you were standing at some point, and right now you created a beautiful report in the last session I've seen. And how do you, go with your feedback on, like, how do you go with the experience that you had so far?
Okay, so I had a great experience going through this training and this session were well organized and easy to understand. My excitement to learn was sustainable all through and I was always eager to continue to the next session and how it's going on. And I'm glad I took this course as it has a better opened my eyes to end up the possibility of the Power BI. And also you are a very great Power BI tutor, and I would recommend you to all students who want to learn the Power BI. And your teaching is so wonderful and refreshing, and you are so supportive. So
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can also see that you were very consistent in attending all the sessions, and so everything. See, it's more important that you cover each and every recorded session. Even though you covered the session, it's always, if you go back and rewatch it again, you get the concepts more clearer, and that's where the consistency is coming from. Okay, good that you attended all of the sessions, and I can see you have built a really, really good, wonderful dashboard. And
thank you.
Let's go with maybe Gayatri next.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi Gayatri.
My experience is like I actually started in the middle of the journey, but from there I could cover all the sessions. Thanks to you, I got a better understanding. Then little bit I started practicing, and after just 4 weeks or 5 weeks I was able to do something, and it built my confidence. So as a tutor, you were very supportive, and you also understood what is our level, and you came down and explained to our level. Even if it is simple doubts, you explain very well, and so that everything is clear so far. Still there is long way to go, so I'm expecting your support in the future also. And you are a very, very calm person, so very approachable. I never felt this free to ask any question to any teacher, so you are a great teacher. That's my experience.
Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback, Gayatri. Yeah, definitely I'll be there for you guys. You can just come up with any questions or any doubts. I only want you to go through the sessions and do the practice. So yeah, whichever questions you have, I'm happy to help you.
And I'm very happy that I took up this course. I was very doubtful whether I could do something. Just because you are coaching in the way, you are like everything is to the point, nothing more, nothing less, like that. So I could do something. That's because of you only, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you so much. All right, let's go with Sri Lakshmi.
So initially, I felt that you were very accommodating and flexible with our schedule. You're a laid-back teacher. You don't mind answering questions several times. You're pretty patient and explain, and pretty cool with accommodating to all the students. So all of the structure that you have with your course, you taught all of it, and you gave us the flexibility to learn it at our own pace based on our schedule and what we have planned with our families and friends and things. So for that, I appreciate that. Material-wise, there's a lot of material to cover, so you let us learn it at our own pace.
Cool.
There's no pressure from your side or anything like that. So, that's how I felt with my feedback.
Awesome. Hi, Moi. You can go ahead now.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, my experience was also really awesome because me coming from a non-IT background, I have not had any experience. So initially, I was very confused whether I have chose the right training subject. But when it's almost towards the end of the training, I feel more confident, mainly because the way you took the training, it was so detailed, and you explained everything in a very simple way, which made me understand each and every topic so nicely. And I'm happy I was able to do few of the assignments. And yes, I have long way to go, and I will need your help in future. But thank you. You were an awesome trainer for being so flexible and understanding each and every student as per their level. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will definitely recommend all of my friends and anyone to go ahead with your training.
Thank you so much, Moif, for the wonderful feedback. I really appreciate that.
Wanted to share in just a couple of words?
Yeah, overall it was good. Like you have been very patient and explaining to all sort of we have like different experienced people, right? Some are new and some are like have some background, they're exposed to the IT. Yeah, based on you're able to like balance everybody's like questions, and you're able to like patiently like you explained all the answers here.
Okay.
Overall, like it was a good course.